In this video, I'm going to show you how to initialize a Git repository using an existing project. And to do so, I've gone out to the initializer website so that I could create a simple project to get started with. So I already went ahead and set up my configuration, selected the options that I wanted, and clicked download, which downloaded into my download stack. Then I copied all the files they provided into my project's website directory. So I typed pwd. I'm currently in my user directory. If I go into CD projects, this is where I put all my projects that I work on. And I create a folder called website, which is the starter project that I got from Initializer. If I do an ls, you can see all the files that are part of this project, and it's currently not being managed by Git. In order to put this project under Git's control, I'm going to use Git's init command directly from within this folder. So I'm going to type git init, and that's it, and then press enter. Now Git tells me that it initialized a repository, and like before, it created a .git folder that actually contains the Git repository files and folders. You'll also notice that my prompt changed, and you can see that my prompt changed to point out the fact that I'm on the master branch of the Git repository. To see the .git folder within our project folder, we'll just do an ls-a, and you can see it listed over here.